Hello, so you're about to sign your windows and doors contract, and it's amazing because it will be a great investment for your house. However, if some of the important things are overlooked, you might have some problems down the line. So let's look at some of the important factors that need to be paid attention to before the contract is signed. Make sure that when you meet with the sales rep and everything that you guys discuss, all of that is put in writing into the contract. Remember, contracts should have information such as completion date, the type of install that you're going to get, the type of products, whether windows and doors, and their exact specification. Often, window companies have different product lines. So you want to make sure that the products that you're seeing during the presentation are in fact the ones that are going to be getting placed into your home. So all of those things need to be written in the contract. And remember, no work can start until both parties sign the contract. Another very important factor to consider is the warranty. Often with window companies, you see big flashy signs, lifetime warranty. But what does that actually mean? Is it in fact lifetime? Remember, warranty should cover parts as well as labor. And remember, make sure to read that fine print. Often companies put into the fine print such things as weather may impact your windows, but we might not cover those issues. Weather happens to us every day, especially in Canada, right? We have snow, we have rain, we have sunshine. If any problems arise, you want to make sure that this company is going to be there to honor their contract and resolve any of the problems. So it's not always about the cheapest company. You want to make sure you're getting the proper value and you're working with the right company that will be there no matter what happens. Thank you and good luck.